Okay, everybody, VW Moses. You all know what this is? I'm sure you've seen it before. Now it's going to be VW Moses toolbox. I'm going to keep all the gonna be the reverse light. I didn't put it in yet. But it's gonna be where I'm gonna put all my little screwdrivers, crescent wrench, little knickknacks like that. It's got a little compartment here you can pop open for a little small stuff. Some fuses and things like that. German gas canister from World War II. It's a reproduction, but I think it'd be cool for a little toolbox. That was crafted bug eyes. Here's the motor. I did all this stuff on here. It had came with a stock motor. I dressed it up. Distributor, headers, carbs, breather, my invention. And no oil comes out of there. It's amazing. And breather. But it's a stock motor. I did have 1.4s to put in there, rocker arms. I put the stud down too far. Then I tried getting it out, I couldn't get it.